Here's an original looking car, unique especially in classics. 1959 Ford Fairlane 500 Galaxie Town Sedan. Indian turquoise and colonial white, which actually be a DE paint code. So still looking very much the way it did back in 1959 when it rode off the Ford dealership showroom. 332 overhead cam V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with a Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission. Let's take a look at the front grille, bright work, bumper, headlights, surrounds. You can see those show well also. Paint on this, it kind of has that patina look. Very much like the car has sat for some time, been driven a little, then sat, and driven to where it's not fully restored. You can see if I get real close, we have real light, kind of just real light chips up on the hood right here. Spots where maybe the paint is kind of thin. Again, kind of that natural aging look of the paint, which on this car, it's cool just because of how original it is. Check out all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. Take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the steel wheel covers, white wall radials. And again, you can kind of see where there's a little bit of corrosion behind the bright work going down the side of this car. Let's go ahead and take a look down the passenger side of this. You know, and there's, where did I see it at? I was going to show you. There's a little ding, kind of like right here. Just the natural stuff that comes with age. As far as the interior, check this out. Radiant turquoise, soft textured vinyl bolster, and turquoise striped nub fabric with silver strand. That sure sounds like that's describing that fabric. That is the trim code of 34 on the door tag. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Vehicle has always been in our area. Was actually produced within, about 60 to 70 miles of us, the Ford factory. Let's take a look down this driver's side, and again, take your time looking through the still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. Little areas like that, you might come across a spot or two where it's been touched up. But again, it goes with the look of this car. Like I said, I kind of say a nicer patina finish, I guess, if you will. Let's take a look at the back seats here a second. Door panels. Seating in the rear. But as far as headliner, also nice shape. That looks like it could be original too. Let's go ahead and fire this up. We're gonna let you hear it run. Whoops, I'm gonna have to get those keys from underneath the seat. Let me show you this door tag. So the door tag is right there. You'll be able to see that in the still picture, so you can decode the VIN, decode anything you'd like. Let me pause this. His key slipped under the seat. Let me grab those. We'll start it up. Let you hear it run. Check out that engine bay. All right, back with the keys. So very stock dash also. Appears to be all stock. Let's get the right key here. All right. Again, that's a 332 underneath the hood. So it fired right up. I've not played around with the radio much in this one, but we'll leave it on a little bit, see if it powers up at all. Top of the dash. Looks good. And the radio does work.
Half the people have not even heard.
So radio is working, stack radio.
And then none of the candidates are talking
All right.
about the things that people say they care about.
slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nothing crazy over the top as exhaust goes. It sounds as you'd expect. All right. Let me pause this one more time. Let's get this hood open. Check out that edge bay. All right, underside of the hood. And here it is. I guess kind of fitting of the rest of the car. And it's got that natural aged look, but it sits and purrs. Be a fun one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins. Pretty neat original looking car. So there you go. 1959 Ford Fairlane 500 Galaxie Town Sedan. UniqueClassicCars.com, 507-386-1726. Give us a call. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation and consult with your sales associate. This vehicle may be eligible for that extended service contract. Check it out.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1959 Ford Fairlane. This is a 4-door, automatic on the column. Very nice turquoise, inside and out. I would call this car a survivor. It looks mostly original. And a great runner. Starts up and idles right away, purrs very nicely. Turn signal indicators do click. I see the left one working. Temperature is approaching half the gauge. The fuel is almost at the full on the gauge. Our speedometer is working. Our factory radio.
They don't know about Hunter Biden.
Also working. The AM radio is working. Nice ride from this car. Luxurious ride. You don't feel the bumps in the road very much. Factory looking bench seats, front and rear. Very nice original condition from the looks of it. If I let go of the wheel while we're going down the road, this car stays nice and straight. Factory horn working well. Brakes also working well. Let's see how she does in the corners. Leans a little with that luxury ride, as you would expect for a 59 full-size car. Kick down on the transmission working. Acceleration is good. It's what you would expect from this car. Shifts are nice and firm. Don't see very many of these, and especially now the Survivor, and in a great color like this. Take a look at all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.